Today, we will talk about how to start a landscaping business with no experience and no money. Let's have a look at the details. A landscaping business can be lucrative since there are plenty of homeowners who don't have the time, energy, or skills to take care of their yards or design garden features. Beyond the basic gardening services like mowing, weeding, and fertilizing, you can work as a landscaping designer or do advanced installations and planting. If you have a green thumb and can do heavy labor, finding out how to start a landscaping business is the first step toward working at a job you love. The first step is setting up your business. Establish your business. You will need a good business plan to manage your finances and set yourself up legally. Your biggest concern initially will be getting financing to start the business and setting up how you will pay taxes. For both of these, consulting an accountant is a good idea. Figure out your pricing. In order to hire you, most customers will want to get an estimate of how much the job will cost. You will need to be able to figure out your skill and speed and provide an accurate estimation of your work. Your costs will include materials, labor, equipment, and overhead. Get proper licensing. Every state is different, but there are a variety of business and professional licenses you may need to obtain. Landscapers are licensed by the American Society of Landscape Architects, and many states require this licensing to practice the business. Get tax information. Your business will need to pay taxes, so you will need a tax identification number for federal and state offices. Find your first customers. There are a variety of people interested in hiring outside people to work on their yards. Their needs vary by location, age, and professional lives. Hire workers. Depending on the type of work you intend to do, you may find it necessary to hire additional help. The second step is landscaping successfully. Find a niche. You will need to differentiate yourself from other landscapers out there. Find some particular aspects of landscaping or garden work you do well, and market yourself as a specialist. Purchase equipment. Chances are you do not own all of the equipment you will need to be an effective landscaper. You should make sure the equipment is quality, but you do not need to purchase all new equipment. Yard sales and auctions may have quality pieces at better prices than buying brand new. Mow and maintain lawns. No matter how built up a property is, there will probably be some grass that needs cutting. Use your lawnmower to keep the lawn trim and neat, and an edger to keep grass away from sidewalks and other installations. Design natural landscapes for your customers. The essence of landscaping, what makes it different from lawn care, is the transformation of a piece of property using additional natural materials like trees, flowers, rocks, and sod. More advanced designs may include artificial items like lights. Install new materials. Your job as a landscaper involves taking your design and installing it onto your client's property. Create a plan for installing different materials, and follow through for as long as it takes. Maintain your creations. This means scheduling a regular return to your client's location to perform basic tasks like weeding and applying pesticides. Prepare to deal with weather. Since you will be outdoors regularly, weather is a constant concern. When designing your work schedule, leave some space in the work week for delays from the weather. And the third step is growing your business. Advertise. In the early stages of your business, you will need to rely on small-scale activities like flyers or going door to door. Advertising using social media can also be a good, cheap way to get some early advertising through friends and other acquaintances. Join business organizations. Local business groups can keep you connected to local businesses that may need your landscaping expertise, or can provide additional opportunities. Add a new niche. Look for other kinds of design or installation you can do to expand your customer base. Get a degree in landscape architecture. To get bigger, you may consider branching out into more advanced projects through landscape architecture. If you don't have a bachelor's degree, you can get one in landscape architecture, BLA or BSLA. Develop processes to maintain quality. The toughest part about growing as a landscaping business is that you will not be able to do all of the design and landscaping work. Make sure your business has design and work processes in place for everyone to follow, and perhaps a designated management team to help carry them out. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.